Hello there, this is fairbinaryoptions.com, and I'm looking at the euro and the Great Britain pound here in this Sunday, the 24th of August, as you can see. Let's write here fairbinaryoptions.com. And this euro Great Britain pound is in a difficult situation, or in a difficult position if you want. I would say that the whole move that started here to the downside should be labeled from this moment of time as the whole leg there is nothing but a corrective leg, and you can name this one as you want, but this one here is no impulsive move. I'm talking about only corrections, only corrective waves. As look at the corrections in the other direction, all of them, but each and every one of them are actually being of the same degree. We do have some interesting, let's say, fact here, or a five-way structure that resembles a falling wedge. This falling wedge, if you clone, for example, this line and put it here, you are seeing that actually it is contracting here. So this falling wedge goes something like this, broken, retested, and then flying higher. Because of this, it means that this is a terminal impulsive move, as you have the overlapping between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have the overlapping between that second and the fourth wave, and terminal impulsive moves are always being retraced completely. Now, this one started at 101.47, and therefore our target here should be 0.8147, as that would be the moment that the currency pair would retrace the whole terminal impulsive move. Now, if this is a terminal impulsive move, it means it's a five-way structure. But if this is a five-way structure like this, what to look for on the move above? Well, if this is a five-way structure, then either the move above here that started here is an impulsive move with a fifth wave extension, so this to be something like 1, 2, the third wave, the fourth, and then the fifth with a fifth wave extension, or the whole move is nothing but an A, B, C that is simply channeling too well. I would go within the two, let's say, scenarios. I would go with the first one, and therefore, in order for this one to be a fifth wave extension that starts from here, so this to be a fourth wave, like this, then this to be a fifth wave to the downside, like this, so something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth wave extension. Then we have some important, let's say, targets to the upside. First of all, in a fifth wave extension impulsive move, always, but always, price is retracing 61.8 of the whole fifth wave. So you need to take a Fibonacci from the fourth wave there to the downside here, and 61.8 should be retraced. Now 61.8 comes at 0.8043, which is not there yet. So that is minimum distance that the price may travel. And then, because this is a terminal impulsive move, this would be the first target, and of course this one would be the second target for the whole move to the upside. It is a corrective wave, as you can see, and judging by the fact that the whole move that started from here to here is an impulsive move with a fifth wave extension, then we need to have a Fibonacci retracement from the highs and to the lows here, and all eyes should be on the 0.82, or if you want, on the 61.8 out of this degree. Why? Let me actually change the color of this Fibo. Let's try to see it a bit different. On the color, let's make it red like this. Why that 61.8 is important? Because if the retracement level goes all the way to the downside, to the upside here, it means that this five-way structure from here, it is actually the end of the first wave of a bigger degree. Let's make it the first wave, and like this, like this, like this. Let's change the color, make it blue. And if it goes more than 61.8, it means that this is no second wave. A second wave can end anywhere here, but when you trade the currency market, it is rarely going more than 61 points. It means that a complex correction should start, a running form of correction, and this would be only the first correction. So eyes would be on the second wave to end around these levels, definitely more than 0.8150, but not more than 61.8. If it goes more than 61.8, then looking for another corrective wave to the downside in a form of a three-way structure. If it goes less, then we should look at a five-way structure. Anyways, in both cases, the arguments for the euro and the Great Britain pound point towards the upside heading into next week, and that means call options in our case. We should go with call options with end of week expiration date to give it time. It is still a corrective wave, so no hurries. So let's write here that I'm looking to buy call options with end of week expiration date on the euro and the Great Britain pound by the time the market is going to open on Monday. Thank you very much for being here. FairBuyNowWayOptions.com. We just took a look at euro and Great Britain pound and what this currency pair has been doing. Bye bye.